Hi guys, welcome to this session in LibreOffice Calc. In this module, I want to show you how you can record a simple macro. So on the screen, I have nothing at all, but I want to record a macro, and to do that, I'm going to the Tools menu, and then down near the bottom there, you've got Macros, and then Record Macro. So once that's on the screen, basically everything you do is being recorded. So I'll just make that color. I'll make it bold and italic, and I'll click there and just type my name and then press enter. So on this little icon here, you've got stop recording, so I'll click on that and I'll stop recording, and now it's wanting me to give it a name. So I'll just call this Bob and then save that as Bob. So it's saving it in standard module 1. Save. Now if I just clear this off, so get rid of all that color and delete Steve. To run that macro, there's a couple of ways of doing it. I could use a key command, but I've not allocated one yet. But if I go back into Tools, Macro, Run Macro, I should see Bob. There's Bob. I run Bob, and it drops it in like so. So if you type in there, it's in bold and italic, because that's what the macro did. Now, if you want to allocate a key command to that, you can go back into Tools, Macros, and Organize Macros, and then you've got different options there. I'm going for the basic one, and what you've got there, Bob. I'm on Bob, but if I assign, I click assign, it gives me the option to assign a key. So at the top here, it's the F keys. I'll come down, you've got loads of other things, as you can see down there, lots of different commands that you could use. Obviously, you don't want to use one that's already allocated to something else, so I'm going to use F3 at the top. So I'm on F3, and then I'm basically going to modify that, and then it puts F3 next to Bob. That's okay. That's the new key command for activating this macro. So if I click OK to that, and then close this box down, and once again I'll just clear this off, push it all the way up. So that's now clear. So if I press the F3 function key, it just runs Bob and repeats that process. So it's a lot quicker if you allocate a key command than it is to go into the menus, Tools menu, Macros, and so on through that option. So that's all I want to talk about in this little video, how you can create a very simple macro and assign a key command to it. So hopefully that was of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.